So for today's video, what we're going to be doing is installing the red start-stop button on your BMW X1 E84. Alright, so I went ahead and bought another button for my car since the one that I got now is pretty jacked up. You can't even see where it says start or stop anymore. So I went ahead and put the trigger, and it's $10 to replace the button. I don't have the right tools to replace the button itself. I seen Keys Motorsport just use some double-sided sticky tape, stick it on there and pull it out real quick. I don't have any of that or the right plastic tools to get all the stuff out for the interior. So I'm gonna be using is just a basic flathead screwdriver and a rag. I don't recommend doing this, but it's just what I have on hand. So please don't damage your cars, guys. I already kind of went ahead and pulled off a little bit of it just to make sure I will be able to get it off. So I'm gonna show you the process and how to do that. So just jump into it real quick. All right, so just slowly go around, and I already have this popped off right here. There you go. So very simple. Once you get one corner popped off, this whole thing will come off as such right there. And all you got to do at this point is just unplug that real quick. All right, guys. So this is very easy. These two little clips right here, all you do is push them in. These little pieces, push them in and pull it out, and it'll come off of this. Very simple, very easy, guys. So I went ahead and got it off. So what I'm going to do now is just remove this back plastic piece off of it so I can remove this, okay, guys? So what you're going to do is, once you have the whole assembly piece off as such right here, in order to get this ring piece off, you're going to come from the back. You're going to start prying from each side of the back piece right here. Slowly start prying it until the assembly piece, the ring, comes off. Once you have just the button showing, in order to get this off, same process. So those clips, you're going to just pop them off. There you go. So none of this will be replaced, just this actual piece right here. So just slowly start popping that off. Okay, that's one, that's two, that's three, and that's it. If you do get confused when you take it off and you can't remember how to put it back on, right here there is a, I don't know if you guys can see that, but right here there's a little slit, and in that slit, this is where this back piece right here will be going, if you guys can see that. Slide it in there, pop it in. You guys will hear a clip. There you go. Very simple, guys. Simple install. So once you get that done, make sure the grommets are back into place and just put it the same way that you took it out. All right. So once you get it in, push it in. You'll hear it clip into place. Push it in. Make sure it works. And you're good to go, guys. Once you get the button right back in, go ahead and place this piece right in there. Okay, as such. And that's it, guys. Real simple install. So let's go ahead and put it right back into the car. All right, so it is installed. Let me show you guys real quick. So that is the button right there. So we're going to try it first. Turn this off. So let's try it first. Start. Let's see. Very nice. So everything works. You can see that it illuminates. It's good to go, guys. All right, guys. So I hope that this install helped out somebody else out there. It's probably the easiest thing that I've ever done to this car. Probably the easiest thing on a BMW that you can do. So that's it. I'm ending here, guys. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, guys. Later. Bye.